Here we have a 2008 Cobalt 272. Does come with the trailer. Spare tire on the trailer. Blue and white. It's got a Mercruiser 496 mag, stainless steel dual props, big swim platform, stainless rail around it. Just got a fresh detail done on it. We'll go inside here. Got a big sun pad back here. Flip-flop seat, transom walkthrough. Does have a tower with the double bimini there. Snap-in seaweed flooring, and there is also snap-in carpet in it. Bolster seats. There's a table in that bag. Tilt steering. Does have a fully enclosed pump out porta potty, windscreen, walk through windshield, lots of seating in the bow here. Does have an anchor in that compartment there. In-floor storage. Table mounts in the back there. Huge boat. It is yacht certified, and we do offer financing. Stop into SkipperBud's and check it out.